that, Jordan.
And I'll bloody come over
You
here.
see that, alright? In case you.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I can
Yeah.
see that. Yeah. Cheers, man.
Wait, Chris, I gotta get the lyrics up.
Wait, why are you standing behind us?
Because now I've got to get it through that. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
whoa!
I didn't mean it like that.
Big amount of effort, eh?
baby, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna destroy
I'm
you.
gonna move my headscarf for like so high.
Can you put a bit
You're gonna hit me with the weight.
Oh no, you're gonna be turning the race that way.
Wait, we're gonna hit a window.
There we go, little pop. Can you feel that way? Feel that way? No, travel. Come on, Chris, turn around, babe.
Come on, I gotta trim all of this.
No, I'm not gonna hit you
I
with
gotta
it.
trim all of this because you guys are being slow.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, put. Place it, just keep placing it. Yeah, okay, we're stopping.
Yeah. You keep playing C. How can I improvise in just one key?
Oh yeah, so let's just keep playing, play for the whole song, man. What was that?
It's not going well, guys.
So.
stop it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop.
Listen, really, still, I mean,